where the theft of an oxygen supply pipe at the state-run Rajgarh District Hospital in MP left 12 newborns gasping for breath. The theft of the 10 to 15 feet long copper pipe by unidentified people on Tuesday late at night disrupted the oxygen supply to the newborn intensive care unit, triggering panic. The inbuilt system sounded alarm and the medical staff scrambled to restore the oxygen supply, that is, and an official said they managed the potentially threatening situation by swiftly attaching a backup jumbo oxygen cylinder to the system.
तो जहाँ से ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई होती है, टैंक जो ऑक्सीजन स्टोरेज टैंक है, वहाँ किसी चोर ने 8 से 10 फीट के लगभग जो है कॉपर का जो ऑक्सीजन लाइन है वह चोरी कर ली थी। तुरंत ही हम लोग सब सिविल सर्जन सर को और जो ये लाइन को देखता है उसको इन्फॉर्म किया और सब लोग आ गए और हमारे 11 बच्चे जो है ऑक्सीजन पे थे। टोटल 22 से 23 बच्चे यहाँ एडमिट हैं और जो अल्टरनेट व्यवस्था और हमारी चौकसी के कारण से कोई दुर्घटना नहीं हो पाई। जितने भी बच्चे हमारे 11 बच्चे ऑक्सीजन पे थे, यदि हमारे पास अल्टरनेट व्यवस्था नहीं होती तो उनको सबको खतरा हो सकता है।
गोविंद, जहाँ तक सवाल है इस इंसिडेंट का, एब्सोल्युटली शॉकिंग है, लेकिन क्या कुछ बता सकते हैं आप इस वक्त जहाँ तक एक्शन लिया गया है इन थीव्स के ऊपर?
And if we talk about it, still the investigation is going on, and you know that this is a specific case of negligence and mismanagement also, because the CCTV cameras which are installed in and around this, in fact, district hospital, they are not working properly, and thieves cut the pipeline of the oxygen going on in the neonatal intensive care unit in Rajgarh district hospital due to in the greed of few money. In fact, this pipeline was made of copper and was cut, and oxygen supply to the NICU ward was stopped. In fact, so the life of 12 children was on the 20 children, in fact, was on the stake. In fact, and now you know that the investigation has in fact started in this case, and still the thieves who were just trying for this miscreant, in fact, they were just trying to steal the pipeline. So they are also being in fact not in the grip of police, and police is investigating the case. But definitely opposition is putting the question that this is what the medical facilities there in Madhya Pradesh, where even newborn children are not safe. In fact, their pipeline was being disturbed. In fact, in the way somebody in the midnight thieves try to cut the oxygen pipeline. So that is quite a serious case of negligence and mismanagement of the hospital also, because as I told you that CCTV cameras are also not working. That's why it's tough to track that who were those miscreants who were trying to steal the oxygen pipeline. So still the police is investigating the case, but this is quite shocking and surprising case in which, thank God, a life could save of all these children who were whose life were on the stake after cutting of the pipeline.
Right, Govind, thank you for joining us with those details. And like you rightly pointed out, absolutely shocking to say the least, but more importantly, the lives were intact. Having said that, we'll leave it at that for the moment.